Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm just here at the shelter intake, just looking out the window. I'm moving to the shelter with my children, so I did some grocery shopping, just stock up the fridge that we have here in the shelter, and just gonna take everything one day at a time. I was sharing some of my journey here and the reason I moved into a shelter. Not only did I move to a shelter, I also moved to a new state. I'm looking forward to the experiences here. And I felt like God brought me here because I always said I would never move to this state. I'm going to trust God that if He brought me to it, He's going to bring me through it. I actually was on the road, so I said, let me just come at Target and Five Below. I didn't even plan to shop or anything, but I'm gonna just check and see if I see anything that I'd like to buy. So I'm here in Five Below and I'm just gonna look around a bit. I grabbed me a basket. Let's see what they have in here. These are good, but I don't know if I need this. Like maybe I could put this one in my bathroom. No, but I don't like that color. I'd probably go for like something more like white. This is white, but it's like plastic. I don't really like that. Maybe this one. I don't know, like, I don't have anything pink in there. I'm considering this basket. I feel like it'd just be like a pop of pink. I don't know. I like it. Because I don't like the black and the gold for the black and the brown for the bathroom. I rather like something more, you know? But this shade, like, I like this shade. Yeah, this is... But I don't know. Like my bathroom right now is like gold and white, and this would fit it, but like I'm not really feeling like this style right now. I'm gonna think about it. Oh, this is some painting. I wonder if they have like canvas in here, because my daughter, she likes painting. Oh, they have some of these stuff, and I really need to start working out. I think that would be a good buy, but like I'm not getting that today, like another day. Oh, this is nice. I like this too. This clear one is also nice. That's a clear one. Oh, my daughter, she just said today like she wanted like a cowboy hat. That's funny. I'm gonna go home with this for her and surprise her. Yeah, I think she liked that one instead more than that one right there. So I'm taking this one for sure. That's cute. I like that. They have a bunch of t-shirts here and some shoes and stuff. Wonder what this is. Oh, that's a primer. I remember one time someone took me in a Five Below and I was like, you know, it's cool in here, but this is my first time like I'm actually in here by myself trying to look, like really look around and trying to buy something, or you know, just see what's here and stuff. They also have some more stuff here like to work out. Yeah. I saw someone did a Five Below unboxing like recently, and they had this mini waffle maker. I'm about to get it. Yeah, I definitely want this. You know what? I used to be so shy, like doing vlog in public, but I'm building up my confidence because I'm about to really try to go hard on my YouTube channel right now. Like, I'm really gonna put the effort out to like just make the videos, edit the videos, post the videos. So what they have on this side, what the toys. Oh, my daughter, she's actually building like a house from cardboard boxes. If I could find some mini stuff to put in it, I'll definitely get them. Yeah, that would be nice for her. This would be cool, but like this is too big because our house is like 2-story so far. Like she's on the first story, but it's not as tall. She needs something small. They have like a bunch of games here. All the way down here. Oh, you know what? Books. I really like some books. Yeah, they have some books here. I'm gonna just look at them real quick, see if I see anything I like. There's more here. There's more here. Some more books over here. Here they have like candies and stuff. I don't know. I feel for something sweet, but I don't know what. As long as it's not sour. Like, I like candy that's not sour. Oh, I didn't even know they have like dark Kit Kat. Like, that's my first time seeing this. Candy everywhere. For some reason, I don't even like candy anymore. I actually like, what's the name? I like chocolate. I like chocolate a lot. But whenever I eat chocolate, my skin like breaks out a lot. Look at this popcorn. That's Oreo. That's Snicker. I feel like this one tastes good. I think I had this before, but I think this one might. Yeah, because it has like peanuts, it seems. And I like peanuts. This is another one, nutter butter. And M&M's. Oh, Butterfinger. Oh, that's hard. Nah, I'm getting Butterfinger. I'm sorry. Yeah, Butterfinger's gonna be real good. We have all this here. Well, we should have milk in here because I need like a milk. And that's all I really need, like a milk for now. So I'm finished in Five Below and I'm just gonna run in Target real quick. I just need a bottle of milk and that's all I'm gonna get, and then I'm just gonna leave. I decided that this year I'll shop intentionally. Like, if I don't need it, I ain't buying it. And especially food I'll buy, and like books and stuff like that, but certain stuff, clothes and all those stuff, I don't really need. That was something I changed for this year. Another thing I changed for this year is like spending a lot of time in social media. I just had to kind of minimize that the best I can and kind of focus on things that I'm trying to do for me. So you know how social media takes up so much time, and we really could use those time to like work towards something for ourselves, our dreams, our goals, and it's just wasting a lot of time. So I realized that, and I just decided to stop doing that. Yeah, so I'm just getting a bottle of milk because my milk is like low at home. I'm just getting one for now. My kid's favorite burger spot. Anyone that's going through a hard time and they know that they have been trying their best to just, live for God and do the right thing, Just know that God is with you and He will show up for you. Just trust Him. When things are not going okay, don't give up on your faith with God. Stay in God, stay in prayer. Focus on Him and not the things of the world. Whatever challenges you go through, don't be ashamed of it. Sometimes He's using those things to rebuild you. And also know that God is your refuge. Spend time with God. I can't stress this enough. Like, I'm even talking to myself right now. Like, there is never enough time to spend with God. You can't say, oh, I spend enough time with God today. It's never enough. Like, as much time as we can spend with God, we should be spending with God. Hope you guys enjoy this little talk. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.